Did you know that 7 humble fruits and crops hold the key to unlocking the spiritual and cultural heritage of ancient Israel? Known as the 7 species, these plants have nourished both bodies and souls for thousands of years, weaving a tapestry of symbolism and meaning that resonates with Christians and Hebrews alike. From the golden fields of wheat, embodying God's loving kindness, to the resilient olive, a timeless symbol of peace and endurance, each of these species, wheat, barley, grapes, figs, pomegranates, olives, and dates, carries a story of historical, cultural, and religious significance. Join us as we delve into the rich symbolism and profound impact of these 7 extraordinary species, and discover how they transcended mere sustenance to become the heart of religious rituals and celebrations in the Holy Land. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for these extraordinary plants and the stories they tell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's cultural and spiritual treasures. Until next time, may the blessings of these ancient species enrich your life as they have for countless generations before us.